Now, the movement that comes from the pelvic clock is all coming from the lower abdominals here. So you really want to make sure that you are engaging your transverse abdominis muscle throughout this exercise. And we are just treating the pelvis, especially the bones of the pelvis in the front that stick out, the ASIS. We're kind of using them as our guide. And you just want to lay on your back with your knees propped up and imagine that there is a clock on your stomach. And then tilt your pelvis into different directions to the numbers on the clock. And this is just going to give us a little mini workout for our lower abdominal muscles.